My name is Mike. This is the FBTV podcast, video podcast. We live stream it on YouTube every Saturday, well, most Saturday mornings at 9 a.m. If you want to check out TALTOA, TALTOA.com, we help people get into the transportation industry. Here's a look at our website if you want to take a peek. You know, like I think I've brought this up before. If you're thinking about becoming a freight broker agent, whatever, watch this video right here. It says TALTOA, where to begin. You go to our website, our homepage, scroll down, where to begin, click Learn More. That is a webinar we did a couple of years ago. It's going to give you the good, the bad, the ugly about working as a freight broker agent. Matter of fact, we got packages if you want to get out, start a broker career. Even if you're a trucking company, you know, we have consulting as well. If you're a trucking company, we got a video coming out about the process of brokering freight. I believe that's coming up here in the next few days on YouTube. But if you're thinking about becoming a freight broker agent, or even a trucking company, you want to maybe create a new stream of revenue, check us out. Okay. If you want to start out as a freight broker agent, which is generally what we recommend, we have placement in our mentorship program. Mentorship program allows you, where is it? Let me find the mentorship program. Don't we have a link in here to the mentorship program? Thought we did. Should have. Yeah, there it is. Placement. You can begin your operation as a freight broker agent through us under our licensed brokerage. 9 yards. Anyway, check us out, TALTOA.com, TALTOA.com. But Saturdays are Q&A day. Your questions, our answers. Okay? Now, if you've got a question you'd like to ask, feel free to email it to me, fbtv@freightbrokertv.com. Go to our website. We have plenty of forums on the website. FreightBrokerTV.com. You can even Skype your question to us. Just do a search on your Skype app for FBTV, and you will find us. Okay. Now, on the app, you can also use it to call us if you wish. Okay, that's not a problem at all. But if you leave a message, you know, you might just hear yourself on a future podcast. All right, Katie writes in, I'm a wife of a trucker, and within our family we have about 5 trucks. I really wanted to be a part of this business, but I just don't know how to go about it. All right, she asked, well, you know, right from the start, what's the difference between a dispatcher and a freight broker? Well, a dispatcher, in the most honest sense of the term, works for a trucking company as an employee, and they dispatch their trucks on whatever loads the company has committed to move for whatever customer or broker. Simple as that. That's the true meaning of a trucking company dispatcher. Now, if you're talking about dispatch service, all right, that's a whole different story. A dispatch service is a business that contracts to a trucking company as a dispatch service, meaning the trucking company is giving the dispatch service to act on their behalf under their authority, meaning that the dispatch service can legally use load boards. So what a dispatch service is actually doing is going to the load board, getting loads off the load board from other brokers, and essentially making money off those loads because now they're dispatching the truck on those loads. So if the broker's taking 15, 20% or whatever, the dispatch service, they're probably taking, I don't know, anywhere from 5 to 10%. By the time it gets to the truck, well, you get the idea. Now, a freight broker, and understand dispatch service can only work with trucking companies in which they are contracted to work as a dispatch service. A freight broker, on the other hand, they can work with any trucking company, any licensed trucking company, be it with their TOT or MC number or whatever. Any of them. You can work with any shipper, customer. You're an intermediary. As a freight broker, what you're doing is working with the customers that have freight to ship. You're getting those loads, and you're finding trucks to move those loads through your freight broker operation. Now, the way a broker makes money is you will get the load from the customer. The customer is going to be paying X amount of money, and what you're going to do is sell that load to a trucking company, and you're going to take a percentage off the top of what the customer's paying you. So if you've got a customer paying, I don't know, $3,000 to move a load from point A to point B, and you get a trucking company to haul the load for $2,500, well, you made $500. That's if you are the freight broker. If you're an agent for a freight broker, you're going to make a commission on that $500, and the standard commission, industry standard, is 60% of that profit. So if that was your load, you had a $500 profit on that load, and you were the agent on a 60% contract, well, you'd make $300 on that load. Simple enough. Now, that sounds all easy, well and easy and good and everything, but understand it takes work. As a freight broker, even a freight broker agent, you are your own business. I was talking to somebody yesterday, or day before, about a broker must be an entrepreneur. They've got to have that drive, that fire in the belly. They've got to have that attitude that if they can do it, I know I can do it better. You see what I'm getting at? Again, if you're interested in becoming a broker and want to know more about it, check out our website, TALTOA, TALTOA.com. Matter of fact, if you go to our website and you still got questions, call me. I'll be happy to answer the questions for you. I was on the phone the other day for almost 2 hours talking to an individual. Anyway, 479-668-0838.